Welcome back to Gear Break. Today we're talking about the kit lens that comes with the Sony A7 cameras. The Sony FE2870 is about $400 new. It's far cheaper when you buy it used or buy it with the kit. And while it doesn't perform like the higher end offerings, it's considerably cheaper and still does a great job in my opinion. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It's cheap used and in a camera kit. Solid focusing and the image stabilization is great. What I don't like is that it's soft on the corners and it's pretty dark since it's an f3.5 to 5.6. Let's take a closer look at the soft corners. This test photo has a lot of detail, so we'll take a closer look. At f8, the center of the photo has great detail and it's pretty sharp. Things start to fall apart when you leave the center and start looking at the corners. Corners look muddy and start losing a lot of detail. It's especially evident here. If you go back to the center, you can notice it's much sharper. Stopping down to f16 helps a bit. Again, the center is nice and sharp. At the corner, you can see a bit of improvement. I like this lens, only at $150 used or along with the kit camera. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching Gear Break, and we'll see you next time.